What's up you guys? Bruh, I'm not active with these videos, but not to the point where I wish I had made some more videos and posted them, y'all. I'm really about to... There goes my cousin stalking me. Okay, she shut the door. She's back again. What did she do? I'll see y'all in a few. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Alright y'all, so I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. I haven't posted a lot of videos and now I'm slowly starting to regret it because man, I'm getting old. My birthday tomorrow, y'all. But shoot, that's another blessing. Getting older and I'm getting wiser. But now I really see like why them old folks be sitting on the porch, because like it's just so much peace. I can just sit out here for hours, look at my neighbors, you know. I sound like a stalker when I say look at my neighbors. Like I just be watching everybody just do their thing, live their life. I say live their life. Live their life. It's like when I'm making these videos, y'all be making me nervous. It's like y'all right here in front of my face just. But yeah, I just be watching like my surroundings. I be out here painting, all that. Y'all know. But my birthday's tomorrow, so I decided to be different this year and not get a cake, because every year I'll be getting them cakes and I'll be smashing them cakes, you know what I'm saying? I'll be getting ice cream cake, then I'll be getting a regular almond cake. Them almond cakes do be hidden, but I'm doing something different. I'm making me a fruit cake because I saw it and I was like, that is good. But who's about to pay edible for a fruit cake for like $150 at the most, but $250 plus? Nah, I'm making that. So all in total, I spent like $50 on the fruit. I got 2 watermelons and all that. Y'all gonna see it though, but I feel like I can do it. I mean, shoot, I can do anything through Jesus Christ, which strengthens me, so I got this. For sure. But I'm gonna go inside and show y'all. I got all the fruit right here. Got my cutting boards, all that. This little thing is for the strawberries or whatever. But first, oh my god, why is the lightning so bad in here today? First, we're about to get the salad sweetener. Put the berries in there because we gotta get these berries washed. You know what I'm saying? Let's get them things in there. Oh shoot, I'm dropping them. This should be enough. Then we're gonna get some blueberries, put them blueberries in there, you know what I'm saying? Then I gotta go put some cold water and put a few tablespoons of baking soda. Let's get into that. I'm getting my water cold. Gonna put that in there, you know what I'm saying? I'm really not about to measure this with the cups. I'm really just going on my eyesight, because why not? You know what I'm saying? Alright, so I put my water in, y'all see it. Let's go put some baking soda. By the way, I got a crack in this bowl, so if it falls out, pour me. Get the pesticides out, or however they say it. I just washed the grapes and I got the mint leaf out. It's time to spin these strawberries. Let me stop. Yo, I just got all of the fruit on the same bowl and some mint leaf. You know what? Let's wash. I ain't gonna lie. Let's try the mint leaf. That's disgusting. We about to attempt to cut this watermelon. I don't know which knife I want to use. I'm gonna put this over here. Got the melon. I'm gonna take the sticker off. Let's get into it. I don't know if I want to show y'all or not, because this is a lot to do. And I got all these other melons to cut. I'm gonna be using this little small knife to indicate where I guess I'm gonna cut it. If that makes sense. Even though that's not really helping me though. I guess I'm gonna use the butcher knife, because why not? Yeah, this is so confusing, bro. I'm gonna cut right here. Whew. We got the thing somewhat. It's leaking. Let's put it on the cutting board now, and I gotta wipe the counter. I just cut like in the center, like on the middle, trying to shave it out. So, Jesus be with me, bro, because I'm kind of scared. This is a Dollar Tree knife, yo. I get this thing right, because look, that's how it's gonna be. I got half of that off. So yeah, slow process, I'll tell you that. Because I don't want to butcher this thing. I'm trying to shape it. and give it my all. Just doing this slow, bro. Because I do not want to mess it up. Because who wants to spend $17 on watermelon again? Not me. I'm making it though. Y'all see, this is layer 1. It looks kind of crazy to me, but then again, I really don't care. I just want to eat it. But from the side, it looks good. So I'm about to place this one up in the fridge and get to this one. I feel like it needs to be shaped more, but I don't feel like doing that right now. I'm about to get into this one, and then most likely I'll do that. Just cut right here. Bruh. I ain't gonna lie. We got it. Huh? It is recording. How you gonna tell me the camera not recording when I'm the camera expert? Thanks, though. I got a problem with cutting at different angles for some reason. Like, what the heck? This one looks better than the first one. It's redder. I feel like this one will be sweeter. Yeah! It's really for a man to do, bro. But not around. So, yeah! Okay. Y'all probably gonna be like, why are you so dangerous with the knife? I'm doing my best, okay? To get what I need done. I done finished it, but bro, why does it look so lopsided for both of them? But I'm just about to make the cake. So this is it. It looks so crazy, bro. Now I'm gonna put all this on there, y'all. I gotta get a bag for all of this stuff. This is how this one, and up in this side this one. Welcome back. Nice. That's nice. My 5-star resort. Nope. That's the rich one. Oh, here. Got you. Oh, shoot. It's good. Better.
I like, yeah.
Well, yeah, it's the richer one.
Oh, that's fine.
I'm about to go put this in the microwave. I got the cheap mixed with the rich. So, yeah. We about to go pop that in. I got all the strawberries on a toothpick, ready to go in the chocolate right there. I got my wax paper and a foam board right there set up. I'm about to open up this, which is some gold sprinkles. These are them so far. Not too good, but shoot, it's decent. Here's all of the chocolate covered strawberries, you guys. You guys, right now I'm just stringing all of this on. There's blueberries and grapes. So this is how I'm coming along so far. This is it. Got the happy birthday thing right there. Yeah, got the chocolate covered strawberries all around. And this is what I'm messing with still. But yeah, and these are the rest of the fruits that I'm about to apply over there. I'll finish. Y'all ready to see it? Let me stop. Let me let y'all see. What do y'all think about it? We got the happy birthday sign here. You know what I'm saying? What you think about it? Got the fruit going all over. We got the melon, the watermelon, and some more watermelon. What y'all think about it? Chocolate covered strawberries all over. What you think? Let me know. This all me. We are currently blowing up all these balloons because I'm going to attempt to make whatever that thing is called, little drop thing. You know what I'm saying? So, how is it going for you so far? What a balloon? Oh, the balloon bag is right behind, bro. I just dropped the ball on the floor. This is how it's supposed to look. That is too small. If I go any further, it's... Oh, it's shooting. Wait, give it to me. Oh. I need it to... Bruh. Why are you laughing? My fingers feel weird. What the heck? Bro, we need more balloons, man. Stop laughing. Because I dropped them on the floor, bro. Small smaller bed.
I want everybody to follow.
I would like them small.
I believe we had 10 this morning. Go down in water.
See, I'm working with something, man. I think I'm doing good so far. Look at this, bro.
I thought of the brief.
That looks good. What you talking about, man? Ah! Girl. Why is she blowing the balloon like this? Like, it is not that hard, bro. Something's wrong with you.
Let's hold and let's enlarge on the word.
Why is she leaning her back like this? Weird. She's weird, bro. Girl, you farted? There's a, you know, a balloon.
There are 2 kinds.
I got a headache now, oh my gosh. But I got a lot over here, y'all, look. Ooh. Lord, why can't I get— Shut up! This all the ones I got done right here. I just finished with the balloons. I don't like it really because I want some more balloons over there. But yeah, y'all see it. Do you like it? Do you like it? And I got my cake up in the fridge. Nice and wrapped. Let me let y'all see. Yep, there's my cake. Nice and wrapped because we want that flavor for tomorrow. And we got who in the back? Who pulled up on us, even though y'all saw in the last clip. Mine just so loud. So I gotta leave it right there overnight. And we got who? Hey. He said, why he think you got a drumstick there at the house? What? But yeah, y'all see y'all tomorrow. Ah! So you guys, I just got finished with the cake and cutting fruit for Asia. And she got me a gift. Let's see what it is. Unfortunately, I woke back up and I turned around and I saw somebody was eating my birthday food.
Yeah.
I was gonna take that with me. You're gonna need another to-go plate if you're bringing that salad.
No, I'm not.
I knew you put yours in that backwards, upside down.
Huh?
You put your food in the container the wrong way.
It's boring.
What's wrong?
You want this?
Oh, yeah, money.
Gotta wait till she come back now.
Girl, making it easy for me. You know what I'm saying? It is my birthday, you guys. I'm gonna let all of these balloons go. Y'all see it. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to who? To Deja! Okay! That's what I'm talking about. Woohoo! That's it. Are you still recording? I don't know how you end it. I tried my best. I don't know how you end it. We are doing ASMR on the fence. ASMR on the fence with balloons. Lego.